Hello, Miss Golden Girl here. Happy Juneteenth. Today is June 19th, 2024, and I'm in Custer, South Dakota on a work assignment, working at Custer State Park. So yesterday I went to Walmart and I added two more utensils. I got a saucepan and I got a dish to bake me some macaroni and cheese in it. So I'm getting ready to go in here in our common area kitchen and get this going. I even picked up some smoked neck bones, so I'm going to boil my noodles and get my mac and cheese in the oven, and then I'm going to put the smoked neck bones on. Ooh. I forgot to get some chicken broth. I like cooking my noodles in chicken broth. And normally I like Mueller's macaroni elbow, but they didn't have that at Walmart. They didn't have my pet milk. So I'm settling. All right, I'm going to make me somewhat of a soul food meal. But yes, I've been waiting to get a saucepan, and now I got a dish that I can make macaroni and cheese in. I got the saucepan. Uh, Later on in the week, I'm gonna make some chicken and rice. I bought some chicken breast, and I got the chicken and rice packet. I got a can of salmon. So hey. I've been here 2 months now, so I want to venture into some other meals. I've been pacing myself with my budget. I spent so much money getting set up, and so, I showed you I purchased an electric skillet, I purchased a George Foreman. I would like to get a crock pot, but we'll see. Maybe in another month. So then before being here 3 months, maybe I can do me up a pot roast with some potatoes and carrots. See, all this I'm going to donate at the end of the season because it will not fit in my car to go anywhere with me. You see my refrigerator over there? That'll be donated also. All right, enjoy the rest of your day. Take care. Love you. God bless.